Okay, in this video I'm gonna go for a inequality for a 9 grade. This is 9 grade for inequality. I may do it 9 grade. This is 9 grade for inequality. So let me try to solve for this. 5x minus 34 is either greater or equal. So for this equation, 5x minus 34 greater or equal 2x minus 4. So it's either greater or equal. That's what it says. So let's find if either greater or equal, right? 5x minus 34 greater or equal 2x minus 4. So we need to find x, right? First we have to find what is x equal to. So what we're gonna do is we take this one out. In order to do, go back to 7th grade, you know how to find x, right? So you're gonna take this one out. So how you add it? When you add, so minus 34 plus 34 become gone. So you're only gonna have 5x this side. So 5x greater or equal 2x plus, so since you add here 34, you have to add here 2. 34 minus 4, so 4 is gone. You're only gonna have 30 here. So you have 5x either is greater or equal 2x plus 30. Now you want move to the x this side, right? So how you subtract here 2x? If you subtract here 2x, you have to subtract here 2. So what are you gonna have here? 5x minus 2x, you will have 3x. So you're saying 3x is either greater or equal only the 30, right? So 3x, you need to find x, so you have to move the 3 out, move 3 to the other side. So how? You have to divide, since they are a multiplication here. So 3x divided 3, 3 is gone. You're only gonna have x here. 3 divided 3 is 1. 1 times x is x. So you have here only x. So if you divide 3 here, you have to divide here also. So 30 divided 3 is 10. Now we have x is equal to 10. So let's check now our solution if it's either a greater or equal. So what do we have there? 5x, 5 times x, we have a 10. We multiply 10 minus 34 is greater or equal 2 times 10. We're just gonna replace the x for what we find for x. 2 times 10 minus 4. So 5 times 10 is what? 50. 50 minus 34 is equal to what? Is equal to 24. Are these greater or equal? 22 times 10 is 20 minus 4. So we have here 24 and we have this side 16. So what we're gonna say now is it's not equal, it's a greater, right? To do the solution is greater, but it says here 5x minus 34 is greater or equal. So it says it's either one, but to go to the right, but your job is just to say x is greater or equal 10. This is the final answer. This is just to check, see the fact. Okay, so this is for, yeah, that's how it goes in 9th grade solution set for inequality.